Hello everyone, my name is Febrani Sumitra and my name is 249-147-1027 and I'm from class 1C, and this time I will presentation about technique photography. Let's begin. Often people think that taking a photo is very easy. Many people think that taking a photo is just a matter of pressing a button, and it turns out a good photo. However, in reality, there are many aspects that must be studied to be able to produce a good photo. So this time, let's understand together photography techniques. The meaning of photography. According to the KBBI, photography is defined as the art and production of image and light on film or a sensitive surface. Meanwhile, according to Wikipedia, photography comes from English, namely photography, which comes from Greek, namely photos, meaning light, and grapho, which means writing or painting. So in general, photography can be interpreted as the process of painting or writing using the medium of light. Meanwhile, according to Ansel Adams, photography is a powerful medium of expression and communication, offering an unlimited variety of perceptions, interpretations, and executions. Based on the definition of photography above, it can be concluded that photography is the activity of taking picture using a camera to produce works of art that can be enjoyed by yourself or the public. Therefore, photography has many techniques that can help in producing various works that make people interested in seeing them. Photography techniques. To become a photographer, of course, you don't just have to have wonderful equipment in the sense of complete type of the camera and lens. One very important key for photographers is mastering photography techniques. There are many photography techniques that will add variety and beauty to photos, so that they are interesting and not monotonous, including zooming, panning, freezing, macro, and silhouette and bow. Zooming. Zooming is a technique that makes the main object clearly visible, while the backgrounds look blurry. The technique serves to emphasize the object and make it more striking. Focal length change can only be made with zoom lens. Use a shutter speed of no more than 1 130 seconds to create the impression of movement. When applying this technique, it is the best to use a panning. Panning is a photography technique used to freeze the moment of a moving object. The way to do panning is to move the camera in the direction of movement of the object you want to shoot. So that object will appear in focus while the background will appear blurred. Freezing. Freezing is a technique of photographing an object that is moving, for example, air. People exercising as if we can stop the moving object. The way to apply this technique is to use a high lens shutter speed. Macro. Macro is a photo technique taken at very close distance to get high detail on a small object. Macro photos usually have 1:1 ratio where the resulting image is the same size as the original object. Silhouette. Silhouette is a photo technique where the object looks dark while the background or background of the photo has a lighter color. The way to apply this technique is to place the object or subject in front of the light by adjusting the exposure on the camera. Bulb. Bulb is a photo drawing technique using light, different from the definition of photography, which is painting with light. The bulb shoots light upon the light. The way to apply this technique is to set the shutter speed as long as possible so that you can get the light produced by a moving luminous object. Image capture technique. Image capture technique is a technique for selecting the area in the photo frame. There are several ways to take pictures, including extreme long shot, medium shot, close up, and extreme close up. Extreme long shot. Extreme long shot is a technique where the camera is positioned as far away from the subject as possible, usually using a wide lens. The aim of is which is to make the subject in the frame appear small when compared to the location around it. Long shot. Long shot is a technique for taking pictures with a wide frame area, meaning that apart from the main object, the background is also captured by the camera in a fairly large area. In contrast to the extreme long shot, this technique has limitation, namely if the object is human from head to toe, but still leaves a little space around the object. Medium long shot. Medium long shot is a shooting technique with a narrow frame area and only photographing part of the body if the object of the photo is human. Then the limit for taking it is only from the knee to the head and leave a little space above the head. Close up. Close up is a technique for taking closer pictures of human object from the shoulders to the head. The close-up technique functions to show details of a person's character or facial expression. Extreme close-up. Extreme close-up is a technique for taking pictures that are more focused on only one particular part of the object in detail. The scope of the frame area only focus on certain parts. For example, in humans, namely the eyelids or lips. And 5W1H. Who? Who needs to master photography techniques? The answer is photographers need to master photography techniques to produce good photos. What are the photography techniques mentioned in paragraph? Answer: zooming, panning, freezing, macro, silhouette, and bulb. When? When should a tripod be used according to the paragraph? A tripod should be used when applying the zooming technique to keep the camera steady. Where does the camera need to be positioned for an extreme long shot? The answer is the camera should be positioned as far away from the subject as possible. Why? Why do people often think that taking a photo is easy? Answer: people think it is easy because they assume it only involves pressing a button to get a good photo. How? How is the panning technique performed? The answer is panning is performed by moving the camera in the direction of the object movement to keep the object in focus while blurring the background. Translate. Seringkali orang berpikir bahwa mengambil foto itu sangat mudah. Banyak yang menganggap bahwa mengambil dua foto hanyalah soal menekan tombol dan hasilnya akan menjadi foto yang bagus. Namun kenyataannya, ada banyak aspek yang harus dipelajari untuk dapat menghasilkan foto yang baik. Jadi, kali ini mari kita memahami bersama teknik fotografi. Teknik fotografi. Untuk menjadi seorang fotografer, tentunya tidak cukup hanya memiliki peralatan yang mewah, dalam arti jenis kamera dan lensa yang lengkap. Salah satu kunci yang sangat penting bagi fotografer adalah menguasai 7 teknik fotografi. Ada banyak teknik fotografi yang akan menambah variasi dan keindahan pada foto, sehingga menarik dan tidak monoton. Antara lain adalah zooming, panning, freezing, macro, silhouette, dan bulb. Zooming. Zooming adalah teknik yang membuat objek utama terlihat jelas, sementara latar belakang tampak buram. Teknik ini berfungsi untuk menonjolkan objek dan membuatnya lebih mencolok. Perubahan panjang fokus hanya bisa dilakukan dengan lensa zoom. Gunakan kecepatan rana tidak lebih dari 1/30 detik untuk menciptakan kesan gerakan. Saat menerapkan teknik ini, sebaiknya gunakan tripod. Panning. Panning adalah teknik fotografi yang digunakan untuk membekukan gerakan dari objek yang bergerak. Cara melakukan panning adalah dengan menggerakkan kamera sesuai arah gerakan objek yang ingin difoto sehingga objek akan tampak fokus, sedangkan latar belakang akan terlihat buram. Lalu freezing. Freezing adalah teknik memotret memotret objek yang sedang bergerak, misalnya air, orang yang sedang berolahraga, atau hewan. Seolah-olah kita dapat menghentikan objek yang bergerak tersebut, dan cara menerapkan teknik ini adalah dengan menggunakan kecepatan rana yang tinggi. Frame foto. Ada beberapa cara mengambil gambar termasuk extreme long shot, medium long shot, close up, dan extreme close up. Extreme long shot. Extreme long shot adalah teknik di mana kamera diposisikan sejauh mungkin dari subjek, biasanya menggunakan lensa sudut lebar, yang bertujuan untuk membuat subjek dalam frame tampak kecil jika dibandingkan dengan lokasi di sekitarnya. Long shot adalah teknik pengambilan gambar dengan area frame yang luas, yang berarti selain objek utama, latar belakang juga tertangkap oleh kamera dalam area yang cukup besar. Berbeda dengan extreme long shot, teknik ini memiliki batasan, yaitu jika objeknya adalah manusia, pengambilan gambar dari kepala hingga kaki, namun tetap menyisakan sedikit ruang di sekitar objek. 3. Medium long shot. Medium long shot adalah teknik pengambilan gambar dengan area frame yang lebih sempit dan hanya memotret sebagian tubuh. Jika objek foto adalah manusia, maka batas pengambilannya hanya dari lutut ke kepala dan menyisakan sedikit ruang di atas kepala. Close up. Close up adalah teknik pengambilan gambar lebih dekat dari objek manusia, mulai dari bahu hingga kepala. Teknik close up berfungsi untuk menunjukkan detail karakter atau ekspresi wajah seseorang. Extreme close up. Extreme close up adalah teknik pengambilan gambar yang berfokus hanya pada suatu bagian tertentu, misalnya pada manusia, yaitu kelopak mata atau bibir. And this is the active tense, and the one is people that think that taking a photo is very easy. Sorry. Okay. 2. People think that taking a photo is just a matter of pressing a button. 3. You don't just have to have wonderful equipment. 4. One key for photographers is mastering photography techniques. 5. There are many photography techniques that add variety and beauty photos. 6. Zooming makes the main object clearly visible. 7. This technique emphasizes the object and makes it more striking. 8. You can make focal length change with zoom lens. 9. Use a shutter speed of no more than 1/30 seconds to create the impression of movement. 10. It is best to use a tripod when applying this technique. 12. Move the camera in the direction of the object's movement. 13. The object will appear in focus while the background will appear blurred. 14. Freezing captures an object that is moving. 15. Use a high shutter speed to stop the moving object. Passive. Taking a photo is often thought to be very easy. Taking a photo is thought to be just a matter of pressing a button. Wonderful equipment does not have to be on to become a photographer. Photography techniques need to be mastered by photographer. Variety and beauty are added to photos by using photography techniques. The main object is made clearly visible through zooming. The object is emphasized and made more striking by this technique. Focal length change can be made with zoom lens. A shutter speed of no more than 1/30 seconds should be used to create the impression of motion. A tripod is best used when applying this technique. 11. The movement of a moving object is frozen by panning. 12. The camera is moved in the direction of the object movement. 13. The object will appear in focus while the background will appear blurred. A high shutter speed should be used to stop the moving object. Test. In this presentation, it's so many tests that using simple present. The example is people think that taking a photo is very easy. Panning is a photography technique used to freeze the movement of moving object. Extreme long shot is a technique where the camera is positioned as far away from the subject as possible. Why this presentation is so many using simple present is because we explained about photography technique that's no past or future. It's general, so yeah, like that. And thank you, and thank you for watch my presentation, and bye bye.